How to create YouTube channel in mobile phone. Easy steps. Let's start. Open YouTube app. Select profile down right side and select account. Add account. Then create account for personal use. Then enter your basic details. Already created my account and create channel. Put your DP, name, handles and click on create channel. Finally created the channel. This is the basic steps how to create a channel. Easy step. Next go to Chrome and type studio.youtube.com. Then click continue to studio. The dashboard will appear like this and go to setting down left corner and channel. Basic information, which country you belongs to and keyword about your channel. Channel belongs to which category, that keyword you should apply. Then advanced setting, select any of the options that you would to choose. And feature eligibility, in this you should verify the two steps. Second one is phone verification and third one is facial or your voter ID, any other like that verification you should do. Next, default settings, basic information. Do not touch on title, just write descriptions, which will, if you set a default description, it will apply to all your videos. And keep unlisted visibility. While uploading, it will directly do not publish to the audience. And then select a category, which category or which niche you are doing video. I am doing the science and technology, so I am selected. Then save. It will save. Next step is go to customization. In this customization, you can add banners, logo, and you can edit your channel name, channel username, and also you can add description, channel description, which will show in about section. And you can add links of your Instagram or another YouTube channel. And also in last step, you can add your watermark, means your logo, in entire video. These all settings you can add. You should, and this home tab, while uploading after one video, then it will get on to your channel. These all are the settings, basic settings, which you should do after creating the YouTube channel. This will be your the dashboard, channel dashboard. Then go to your channel, YouTube channel. Then you can click on the create or down plus symbol. That's all. Thank you.